Hello, we're My Safety Belts, the industry-leading seatbelt repair facility in America. We offer a variety of services, ranging from seatbelt repair to webbing replacement to post-accident airbag module reset. We help you save hundreds of dollars while providing a quick 24-hour turnaround on all of our services. Get in touch with us today and see how we can benefit you.